Don't think of you as small. Don't underestimate. You are the best hero in the world. You have to come this world by defeating billions of stars. You won the first battle of life. You think it's your power. Wake up every morning and say these 5 sentences. I'm the best. I can do it. God is with me. I am the winner. Today is my day. Man is as big as his think. Sense of thinking power will change life. Surely Allah is the best planner. If people can, why can't you? Do they have more hand or feet than you? You would not be afraid. You have to move forward with chance. Inshallah, the brave will on a day.